How to upgrade weapons in darkest days. Standard gear won't survive the night. This guide shows you how to upgrade weapons in darkest days. To start, you need a weapon workbench. Once inside the menu, select the weapon that you want to improve. You'll see the stats for firepower, accuracy, and stability. Use weapon scraps and toolkits to enhance the base levels of your gun. To add special effects, you'll need specific parts like scopes or extended mags, which are found in military grades throughout the world. Once a weapon hits max level, you can ascend it to the next tier using rare blueprints. This significantly boosts all stars and sometimes unlocks a perk slot for extra zombie slaying power. Your weapons are now lethal. Go test them out. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days combat tips.